This is first attempt worldwide. No one's ever done this. Ever done this before. Start your engines, baby. Out here in Pismo Beach, and Russell's gonna attempt the cornice. It's a big gigantic bowl, and it's really steep. I don't know if it captures in the camera, but there he is right out there, and he's gonna come on up. That was awesome.
How was that?
That was good. How'd that feel, buddy?
Awesome.
Yeah, you did really well.